Today we are going to look at algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase made up of numbers and variables. Okay? Usually in expressions we don't see equal signs. Sometimes we'll put an equal sign at the end of our expression. The substitution property is what we're going to use to evaluate these expressions when they give us numbers to replace our letters with. So the substitution property says if A equals B, then A may be replaced for B in any expression. So evaluating an expression. To evaluate an expression, you have to replace the variables. So you're first going to substitute the variables with their given values. Each time you substitute a variable with a number, put parentheses around the number. And we usually do that if we're adding or if we're multiplying or dividing, not if we're adding or subtracting. And you'll see with all the examples that I'll go through. Follow PEMDAS. Make sure you follow PEMDAS. Parentheses go first, followed by exponents, then you multiply or divide from left to right, and then you add or subtract from left to right. So if we look at the first example, we have AB squared plus C. So I'm replacing A with 2, B with 4, then I'm squaring it, and I'm adding 7 for C. Now, again, these are really not parentheses. They just mean to multiply. When there's nothing in between, you multiply. But you must do the exponent first. So 4 times 4, because 4 to the second power gives me 16. Then we multiply. 2 times 16 is 32. And then finally we add the 7 to get 39. So like I said, sometimes I'll put the 39 right at the bottom here. Or you can put it like they did here. Same thing with number 2. They're telling me to replace x with negative 2. So wherever I saw an x, I replaced it with negative 2. Okay, then I have 3 times negative 2 to the second power minus 4 times negative 2. Do your exponent first. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Over here, we also did the multiplying. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Then I multiplied here. Then I added 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. For the you try, I'm leaving my answers here. I would like you, though, to close your Chromebook and try some of these on your own. And then if you have trouble, go back and look. And then you can also go back and check your answers. Here we have a nice fun fraction. Okay, so again, you can try it. I'll go over more of this in class. If we look at the second page, just to show you again, and I'd prefer you not just copying mine. I'd like you to try these on your own and then go back and check your work using this. Don't forget number 7 and number 8 have division in them. Okay, so you're going to do what's on the top. You're going to do what's on the bottom, following PEMDAS, and then your last step is to divide. Evaluate the top, evaluate the bottom, and then divide. Same thing with number 9. Okay, there's nothing crazy here, but I see a z to the third power. So remember, third power means a number times itself 3 times. And then the other one I wanted to go and review real quick. When you see a number in the absolute value bars, remember this means to make the number positive. It's the distance the number is from 0. So these last two have absolute value bars. So if they're telling you C is negative 3, when you take its absolute value, which is what we did right here, it becomes positive 3. Okay, try these on your own and then go back and check. And then you're going to do the homework page that follows this. Good luck.